Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. We are in Papasidero today. It's gorgeous out here and we're going to go into this ruined palazzo. It's amazing. It has a courtyard, it has a garden. It's really, really gorgeous. So we're going to go check it out. Here is the ancient door and it goes into this courtyard, which is really very cool. Through this little door is the garden, and it's really amazing. Look at this thing. It goes up multiple levels. And then down here, so the whole courtyard is included. And this entry is very cool because if you look, it has the star ceilings. Amazing.
Ti voglio far notare, vedi le decorazioni nella parete lassù.
Oh, look at the decorations on the walls that were in that house. You can barely see them, but they're just gorgeous. I wonder, possiamo salvare questi?
Qualcosa posso fare.
Oh, well, that would be so cool. Even if you could salvage only a piece of it, boy, that would look really, really beautiful. I think it would have to be done sooner rather than later because the roof is off and therefore the walls will be impacted in a few years if nobody buys this beautiful place. Look at the stone. We have a staircase, a lot of stuff. Ooh.
Lì c'era un vecchio camino, c'era una cucina.
Oh, there was a kitchen in there. Okay. This staircase is all stone. Look at these old doors. And that was a kitchen, but you can see the floor is gone. Obviously, you're going to have to do new floors and new ceilings and a new roof and everything else. That was the kitchen in there.
Anche le porte sono originali del
Sì, sì, sono molto belli, molto belli.
E poi di là c'è la vista sul fiume.
Oh, we get a view of the river out this window. Wow. And again, the star ceilings. Queste del terremoto?
Sì.
See, okay, these lesions are from the earthquake that happened in the 1980s. Now, you're going to have to seismically redo this whole place. So it's a little bit of money, but it's big and beautiful. Stairway continues up. We're going to look at it from the outside because it's a little bit dangerous to go in a lot of these rooms. Okay, through this little door is the garden. It's really beautiful. I was out here earlier today with the man who owns the place, and he's planting. Okay, and you come out here and there's a beautiful garden. Again, you're right above the river. Look at these trees. Oh. That looks like mandarins. Mandarini, e limone, e poi zucchini. He's putting zucchini in. This is such a beautiful garden. And look at these old walls. Questi muri sono vecchie sì. Old walls.
Che regindano la proprietà.
See. And the garden comes around here. And he's planting zucchinis here. And there's another mandarin tree there. This is so pretty, this garden. Now this palazzo, I heard, was over 1,000 square meters, okay? This is only a part of it. Goes all the way up. And way up there. And then down here. These are these foundations for super old. And look at this beautiful wall.
How old is that?
I don't know, it's very old.
Yes.
Here's the other side. You can see this place is huge. Over 10,000 square feet. It's a complete redo, but boy oh boy, if you wanted a beautiful hotel or something like that, this would be the place to get it. So pretty.